Hello everyone! Today, we'll learn how to add a secret message link to your profile. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type secret message. From search result, choose the secret m.me site. Wait for it to establish a secure connection. Now, enter your name. Tap on Create Your Link. Take note, and this is important, screenshot this page that contains your login ID and password for future access. And now, scroll down and tap on Copy Link. Head over to Facebook and navigate to your profile. Select Edit Profile. Scroll until you find the Website section. Click Add Website. Then, paste the link you copied from Secret Message. Finally, save your changes. And that's it! Now you have a secret message link on your Facebook profile. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!